Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I thought it'd be really fun to take a look back at my favorite thrifted items from 2019. Welcome to Vlogmas, by the way. I hope you're starting to feel a little bit more ready for Christmas. I'm not, so yay. We're 2 weeks out. No big deal. No one's worried. So let's jump into some of my favorite thrifted things from 2019. I got really into thrifting probably a little over a year ago. I started doing it about 2 years ago, but I feel like I really started getting into it within the last year and a half. I'd say over half of my wardrobe is thrifted. I also thrift other things like home goods and stuff. And so I wanted to share things that I think are either unique or like some of my most worn pieces that I got in 2019. So I have one accessory to start with. I've been really into little scarves as of late. Over the last year, I've picked up a few, and this one I honestly just got maybe about a month ago, and it's my favorite. It's so cute. It's a black silk scarf, but it has your kind of normal bandana design in a cream color. It's just so pretty. It's a little bit bigger than a few of the scarves that I have, but it's just so cute. And I love that it's black because a lot of little vintage scarves that you find are very colorful, which is fun as well, but black is just so easy and classic. I love wearing it around my neck like this. I think it's so fun with a collared shirt or with a little cute t-shirt and some jeans and cowboy boots and a jacket. I just think it's adorable. Maybe not with this sweater, but normally if I were to style it, it's adorable. This I picked up recently, like I said, from Goodwill. There's actually a Goodwill in my city that is what is it called? It's called Renewed Boutique or something, and it's a lot of designer stuff or higher end thrifted stuff. I picked this up there a few weeks ago, and I want to say this was $4, so really great price, and it's silk. Next I have two pairs of black jeans, different style on both. The first one is a pair from Lauren Conrad, which I believe is just a brand that's sold at Kohl's. And I've mentioned these on my channel before, but these are so cute. I love them so much. They're just kind of a faded black jean, but they're cropped and they have a little bit of a little kick flare to them. So they hit kind of a few inches above your ankle and a little bit flared. And I just think these are the cutest little jeans ever. I wore them so much this year. I haven't worn them as of late just because it's been cold and I want full length jeans to cover my legs. But these were phenomenal. I can't wait to wear them again soon. And I think I paid $5 or $6 for these. It was a steal. The next pair of jeans are new. I got these right at the end of October, but I think this has been one of the most exciting thrift purchases this year. So this is a pair of black jeans. Again, it's kind of that faded black look. These were actually new with tags when I bought them. These are a pair of jeans from Weekday. They're a high-waisted, really high-waisted, wide leg jean that ends with a flare. And these just make me feel cool. These I feel are something that has stretched my style as of late, and I every time I wear them, I love them even more. One of my favorite outfits I wore with these was I wore these with this little nightgown top. It's a cream color. It's got a little bit of lace on it. It's a silky fabric, and I wore it with a leather jacket and some Doc Marten boots. And it was just so cute. I felt so cool. And I love these jeans so much. Now I have quite a few tops. This first one I think might be the oldest top that I'm talking about. This is a no-name brand, and I got this, I want to say, in springtime. Maybe right at the beginning of spring when I was feeling yes, I don't have to wear like a sweater every day. This is so great. And I bought this shirt. And it's kind of like a cotton, almost like a linen kind of feel. It's definitely not linen because it's a cheap shirt. But it just has like such a fun texture to it. It's got this little like peplum bottom. The sleeves have a little cuff to them. And then the back has this like open back that has ties down the middle. And it's just so cute. And I wore it so much this summer, and going into fall I wore it quite a bit too. It looked great with those Lauren Conrad jeans. I wore that as like a go-to outfit many a times with some little booties. It was just adorable. It looks great with shorts, with skinnies. This is a great top, and I have worn it so many times. I'm looking forward to a day when I can wear it again soon and not have to wear a sweater every day. The next two tops, I bought these at the same time. I actually bought like 3 or 4 tops on the same day, all from the same location, all a very similar style. Like they were like a 3/4 length sleeve, a little bit flowy and like kind of florally and just like really fun, like boho kind of feel. And the first one is just a Target. Oh my gosh, my cat is going crazy. It's just like this Target top. So again, it's nothing special. It's just like, I think it's so cute, and I've worn it a few times. When I first bought it, I was nervous I wasn't gonna wear it because it's cropped. Like, it's pretty short, and then there's a little tie on the front that lifts the front part up even higher, which is like not my normal thing. Like, I didn't really even start wearing cropped things until this year, but this is so adorable. It's got this little like cut open neck thing. It's got a little keyhole in the back, and the sleeves on this are just adorable. You've got like a flared tiered sleeve. So cute. I want to say I paid like $4 for this, and it looks great with high-waisted jeans. You get just like a little bit of like a tummy situation happening, but it's so cute. And another favorite top, this is from Free People, and this is just such a cute top, very unique. I don't have anything else in my wardrobe that is like these colors, or I mean the style is kind of like other things I have, but the colors are just really out there. The print is so fun. You have like citrus happening here, this like more intricate kind of print here. It buttons up in the front with like a little bit of a gap between the buttons, I guess. Like there's like a hole through, like you can see your skin. And then the sleeves are like 3/4 length, and you have these little ties. It's just such a unique top. I think it's so fun. Again, it's a little cropped, but not much. If I wear it with high-waisted jeans or whatever, you don't see anything. But I loved wearing this in the summer. I wore it so much with like cut-off shorts, skinny jeans, flare jeans. It's just adorable. The last top is this little floral top. I actually wore this in a video a few days ago, and this is actually from the brand Oscar de la Renta, which is crazy. I got this. It was a little bit more expensive at the thrift store. I want to say it was like $8 to $10, which the Free People top was $10, and this was like $8-ish, I think. But this is very old. Like, this is probably like 80s or 90s, but it's just so fun. It's like an old school dress top that like a woman would wear underneath like a blazer to work or something. But I just think it's adorable. It's a size 14, so it is large on me, but I feel like it kind of gives you like that boxy, like flowy kind of look, and I love it so much. There's a button in the back. It's got a little, again, a little keyhole there. The sleeves are a little long since it is like a little bit big. It's just such a cute top. I think the print is adorable. It looks perfect with denim. Like, this is like a great top to wear under a denim jacket. It's just so cute, and I love it. I think it's so unique. Like, no one else is wearing this shirt anywhere, and I love it. The last thing I want to mention is something I have not even worn yet. It's just like, the thought of having it is making me so happy, and I have a plan to wear it for Christmas. And it's this jacket. I thrifted this in New York, and it's just like the greatest jacket of all time. It's like a full length beaded jacket. The detail on this is just so stunning. It's beautiful. It has shoulder pads. It looks fantastic on. It's so cute. I'm looking forward to wearing it with like some skinny jeans and a little like cami underneath or something and some booties. This is astonishing. And I got this in New York for $10. What? Because I've seen pieces like this at like a vintage store before for like $50 or $60. And this is pretty much in like pristine condition. There's like a few beads here and there missing, but like really overall, this is fantastic. So those were my thrifted favorites of 2019. Again, I love thrifting so much. If you have anything that you have picked up this year or like recently that you love, I'd love to hear about it down below. What do you like looking for at the thrift store? Is there like a particular item? Right now when I go to thrift stores, I feel very drawn to sweaters because it is very much so sweater weather. And so that's my favorite thing to look for right now. What's yours? Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.